The Yawning Mountain. Up above, where the sky is wide and blue, sat this was Mountain Terran. He watched over the valley all day, every day. He never seemed to stop. Down in the trees lived a little friend named Alara. She was a busy owl who watched the sun go down. Today, the sun was sinking, painting the clouds orange and pink. Alara watched Mountain Terran very closely. "Oh my," whispered Alara. "Even the strongest giants must get a little tired sometimes, I think." Suddenly, Mountain Terran made a very big, very slow sound. It was a great big, quiet yawn. It rolled like a soft, heavy blanket down into the valley. The yawn echo kept going. It tickled Alara on her fuzzy little head. The echo rolled across the river and the fields, telling everyone, it is time for rest. Be quiet. Be still. The big mountain was resting, and so the whole sleepy valley rested too. Good night, dear friends.